In the most recent decades, wildfires have been increasing in Alaska. With the temperatures rising and the snowfall decreasing, this puts Alaska at a higher risk of wildfires. Wildfire is a fire that spreads rapidly and uncontrollably, typically in a forest or in an area densely populated with trees. Alaska is extremely vulnerable to wildfires right now because the snowfall has been at a decrease and the changes in temperature are increasing, which puts this state at a higher risk than others. This problem doesn't seem to be clearing up anytime soon. It is said that these wildfires will keep happening and the severity will keep becoming more dangerous until the end of the century. This is in part due to warmer and drier conditions. If we don't see a stop to these wildfires in the near future, the communities surrounded by them will completely be ruined. This is devastating in the fact that just due to warmer and drier temperatures, these communities are being put at an extreme risk. It is important that the people in the surrounding communities of these wildfires to know how dangerous they are and what could easily create a fire to start. It is important to have a plan in case of a fire coming close to you and to not start any of your own fires at home unless you do it right.